Hafre PIFA. My name is Jonathan Jose, coming from Opake, Guam. We flew thousands of miles to share the Opake spirit with the beautiful San Diego. Here we have a whole bunch of exclusive items. We have our Guamton hat. Inspiration behind this is, the island nation of Guam. Small population, but we make some big noise. We're proud and we like to share our culture. Here we have our Opake knowledge logo. We also have our exclusive to PIFA Guam hat that features a Guam flag hit on the side. We have this half-a-day ripstop hat, which is completely waterproof. And then we have our deep seas and palm trees, which features a melton wool fabric, which is super lightweight and comfortable. And of course, our trademark floral crest hat, which features the lightweight and bright floral. We also have some exclusive t-shirts for you PIFA customers. We have the beautiful sunset t-shirt, which features, of course, Guam's amazing sunsets, and the exclusive Guam to SD t-shirt, GUSD on the front, and Guahan to Dago on the back. So for all you people here in SD who want this exclusive merchandise, check out the Opake booth at booth number C16. So check us out.